guys, so I wanted to film this declutter. I don't normally film when I'm doing a deep declutter like this. Like I'm going to be cleaning this out and everything. I've obviously already started, but I wanted to show you guys my process. So this container right here is my everyday drawer. So most of the stuff that's in here isn't going to be getting decluttered. Everything back here, I'm going to be going through with a fine-tooth comb to try to declutter it. And then I'm also going to be cleaning out these drawers with cleaner and stuff like that to get them clean and going again. So if that is something that you guys are curious about watching, then go ahead and of course keep watching. So I'm going to be cleaning these out with my Scentsy Counter Clean. This is an all-purpose product, so that's why I'm using it, because it's really the only thing that I have. And then just a regular cleaning cloth. There is makeup and stuff all over this, so I'm just going to be scrubbing it as I go and then making sure that everything is going to be put in its nice, clean and organized space, and that doesn't have hair in it the best that I can. Right here is what I use for my everyday drawer, and this goes at the very front. So this right here is supposed to be eyeliners, and unfortunately it's just a random mess. I know that I'm going to be getting rid of this next total control drop because I don't like it that much, so I know that's going away. I'm going to be super honest with you guys, I really don't use a lot of eyeliners, so I'm more than likely only going to be keeping a few of these. And this is an eye primer, which there's hair all over it because this is so gross. I'm going to be getting rid of most of these eyeliners. Okay, so these were the eyeliners I decided to keep. I have a couple of black ones and then some clear ones that I like. And then this is stuff that I don't use anymore, so I'm going to be throwing that in a giveaway pile. I'm not going to throw it away, I'm just going to throw it in a giveaway pile. And then that is the end of that. So now I'm going to scrub that out. So this next drawer right here is supposed to be like concealers and face products, like primers and stuff like that. But unfortunately, it's kind of become a show-all. So this is from the Estee Edit. This was sent to me, and I believe this is probably old and expired. So I'm going to be throwing this away. These products are products that just got randomly thrown in there. These are two concealers. They're just not in the right spot. And then these are the Stila eyeshadows that I use frequently. So those actually need to go back there, and these need to go in a different drawer. I'm not going to be decluttering either of those. This is a brow pomade that's super old and dried up. So I'm going to be throwing that away along with this Estee Edit thing. And then I have this Beauty Flood from IT Cosmetics that I don't really use, to be honest with you, anymore, so I'm probably going to be passing that along to somebody. And then we have the Bye Bye Line Serum, which I really do like, so I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to move that into my everyday drawer, so that's going to go at the very front. And this right here is the bulk of this drawer. I'm saying that there. I have a lot of unopened eyeliner products, and these were sent to me by Pixie. I was really excited about them. If you can't see, there's beautiful colors, but again, I'm not a huge eyeliner person, so I'm gonna end up keeping this one. I'm gonna end up probably throwing these all in a giveaway, actually. So these I'm gonna throw in a giveaway for you guys since they haven't been opened or used. I think that would be a perfect giveaway price for you guys, so I'm gonna end up tossing that in a giveaway pile. I have this brow product from L'Oreal that I've literally never used, so I'm gonna be passing that along. I have these Stila eyeshadows that I use pretty much every day. I think there's another one in here somewhere that I'm going to keep, so that's staying in the keep pile. This is a brow power by IT Cosmetics and a NYX micro brow pencil. I do like these brow products, so I'm going to end up keeping both of those. This is a white eyeshadow base that I literally never use, but I feel like I should keep it just in case I need it, so that's gonna go there. I have this IT Cosmetics Build a Brow, which again is dried up and old, so that's getting thrown away. This I used to use a lot of, but I stopped, which I should put it in my everyday drawer. This is the Perfect Lighting by IT Cosmetics. I'm gonna keep that because I did really like it for a while. This is Brow Power by IT Cosmetics Powder. I don't use that, so I'm gonna pass that along. This is an IT Cosmetics Brow Power Lift. I do not use that, and I think my sister will use it, so I'm gonna pass that along. And we have all these eyeshadows that I don't ever use either, so I'm gonna end up passing this along. I may keep this white one, but for the most part I don't use those, so those are getting passed along. This is an Estee Edit thing that I'm sure is old, so I'm gonna throw that away. This is a oil blotting powders. I'm gonna keep those. You can always use those. And there's stuff for my cat that randomly got thrown in there. So that drawer is taken care of now. So now I'm going to do is pull everything out and clean it. Unfortunately, I don't think the hair will ever come out of this. So I put these little rubber suction things down so that my stuff doesn't slide. And then I'm just going to go back in and put it all back in where it belongs. Okay, so that is that top drawer now organized and cleaned and decluttered, and I'm feeling very good about it. I don't know if I liked how I filmed this, so I'm going to film the second drawer down. Gotta scoot back. Ah, it's stuck. This is the second drawer, and it's a little bit more organized, but still not the best. And I'm going to be decluttering a lot of this, I feel like. So I'm going to show you what I'm decluttering, and we'll go from there. This first drawer right here is blushes, and I'm not a huge blush person, so I'm going to be decluttering a lot of these. I like Luminoso, I like Dallas, and I do use Sugar Bomb. So I know that I'm going to be keeping those blushes. I cannot speak. This is an IT Cosmetics blush. I like it, but I really don't use it a lot. It's a nice natural one, but I have natural ones. This one's absolutely beautiful, but again, I don't use it very frequently, so I'm going to be throwing those in donation piles. I've been looking for this. Oh my gosh, okay. So these are highlighters by Pixie by Petra that I have been using and loving lately, so I'm going to keep both of those. These two NYX blushes can be put in the giveaway pile, and then I also have Hula here by Benefit. I'm going to go ahead and keep that one as well. I don't know if you can see very well, but these are just piercings and like jewelry that I have. So I'm going to be keeping everything in here and putting more stuff back in here. So I'm not going to declutter any of that. And I have decluttered a lot of my mascaras, so I know that I'm going to keep what's in here. This is one that I just got from my BoxyCharm. This is a Pacifica, sorry. This one is by Urban Decay. It's a big fatty mascara. This one I believe is by IT Cosmetics, and then we have a Pixie one. And I feel like the lighting got really bad. Sorry, everything's moving around. Next one is a cluster mess of everything. So these are single eyeshadows that I really am going to be honest with you, I don't ever use. So I'm more than likely going to be getting rid of a lot of this stuff just because I don't use it very frequently. I really like this NYX shadow. I may keep a couple of them, like these mica powders. I spend so much money on these and then I never use these, so I may try to get my money back on those, but I am going to end up getting rid of those. I really like this Megan, I think it's MAC colourpop thing, so I'm going to keep that. This is an IT Cosmetics pen that I'm going to get rid of, so I think I'm going to keep that. This eyeshadow by NYX. This is in the shade Day Club. I like that one. This is a ColourPop shadow. I'm probably going to get rid of that one. These are new eyeshadows by Pixie. Very similar to the steel ones I showed earlier, and I really like these, so I'm going to keep these. I plan on using them frequently. This eyeshadow here I plan on getting rid of. I bought it and never used it. These ColourPop ones I'm fairly certain are probably old and expired, so we're gonna get rid of those. Here's a NYX shadow that I really like. It's a hunter green one. I'm gonna keep that one. And then I believe that I'm gonna get rid of all of these ColourPop ones. I'll go through, and what isn't dried up and crusty I will end up giving away. The other ones I will throw away because unfortunately I've had those for a while. So this is a powder. I have used this, but I don't use powders very frequently, so I'm going to be giving this away as well. And then under here we have an IT Cosmetics highlighting powder that was supposed to be right here. And some sort of pencil that I don't know, I'm throwing away. We didn't go through this, so we have some IT Cosmetics concealers here and more jewelry that doesn't go in its place, and a highlighting stick. So I think I'm going to get rid of this highlighter by Wet n Wild because I don't use it. And these are concealers that I do like and I do see myself using. Right now I'm just a ride or die for the Tarte Cosmetics, so I'll keep those. And then this is my very small highlighter collection. I do like these a lot. I normally reach for the ones I have in palettes, but I know that I'm going to keep all of these. I'll show you what I have just to show you. I have a Too Faced Candlelight Glow, a Becca one. This is Becca Moonstone. These are so dirty. They need cleaned really bad. And it's because this guy's broke. This is by Makeup Revolution. It's Golden Lights. That was one of my favorites. This is a MAC one that unfortunately has broke, but still a good one. And then a NYX Durochrome, and then that Wet n Wild one. So I know that I'm keeping all of those because I know and like them. And then, oh gosh, I don't want to tackle this. This is a disaster. It's been so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a brand new concealer by NYX I've never opened. I'm keeping. This is a NYX palette, a corrector palette. I'm gonna throw that away because that's, I may see if somebody wants it, but I think I'm gonna end up throwing that away. This again is a powder that I never use, so I'm gonna be giving that away. Foundation that I literally have never, I use a little bit. I think I really like this, but I do not use it anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Here's another ColourPop shadow that I'm getting rid of. There are some more concealers from IT Cosmetics right there. Powders from IT Cosmetics that I know I'm not gonna be using. This is Bye Bye Pores Illumination, so I will keep that one because that's a translucent powder that I really like. And this is, if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure this is like, it's not, is just a powder from IT Cosmetics that I'm going to be getting rid of. And then here's another CC cream. This is in Fair, which is more my shade. I have this new one from IT Cosmetics that I have not tried yet, but it's their CC Oil-Free Matte, and it's in Light, and I'm really excited to give that a go. So I'm gonna obviously keep those. Then I have the Bye Bye Lines Foundation. I do like this one, but I prefer the CC cream, I believe, but I'm gonna keep that one just to be safe. And then this is an old Benefit concealer that I'm saying bye to. So then I have these primers. I unfortunately haven't got to these yet. This is a Cover FX that I got in my BoxyCharm, and then these two I ended up winning from Benefit. Sorry, I just forgot. I ended up winning these from Benefit, and I'm really excited to try this one. It's their newer primer. It's kind of old now because, like I said, I'm going to try it, but definitely keeping these. This one's one of my favorite primers ever, so I'm keeping both of those. I feel like this is one of the worst declutter videos that I've ever done, so if you are angry, I get it. I am too. But this is now what my top drawer looks like. A little bit more organized. There's still a little bit of clutter, but for the most part, I decluttered a lot of things. This right here is my everyday section, so what I use every single day, and then the rest back here is just stuff that I use on occasion. And this is the second drawer. So I've gotten rid of a lot of things. I'm very proud of what these look like now. They are completely decluttered and organized, and that makes me feel really good. So I wanted to show you guys what I actually did end up decluttering. So I know this is a weird angle, but just feel me out on it. This is pretty much everything that I decluttered. I know my desk is a bit of a mess right now, but I'm in the process of cleaning and organizing. So this was everything that I got rid of from 2 drawers, and I think this is pretty good stuff. So if you guys see anything that you want, let me know. I'm pretty much probably going to donate everything that I can or give to my friends and family, and then what I need to throw away, I'll throw away. But that was my first declutter for this little section of my life. If you guys liked it, I know it was a hot mess, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.